Alright, this is Ep and Crep over here at B10 Games. I had this problem before the creators update. I had to completely uninstall everything and reinstall Windows to get rid of it. It happened when I switched from an SLI setup to a single card, more powerful card setup. Um, but basically what happens is we have extreme lag in Windows menus and in basic applications, what's comparable to Word. Let's see here. Okay, as you can tell, well, see how everything's saying Logitech and now everything's saying AI Suite? It just takes a long time for what you're actually highlighting to pop up here. It's ridiculous, and you can tell by how it's invisible and then it'll pop up. It's just extreme lag. And over here, look, normally these should highlight as I scroll across. It's just extreme lag. And the only way I found to get rid of this, first of all, I've tried running it in a single monitor setup, and that doesn't seem to fix it. See, now the issue down here is fixed temporarily, but it's still not how it should be. See, there it goes again. Now it's lagging. And I can't figure out for the life of me, but it has something to do with Windows, my BIOS, and NVIDIA drivers for the graphics card. Because basically in your BIOS, which you can't really show while recording, is there's a renderer standby option, which basically, when you have CPU multi-monitor enabled, it gives you the option for renderer standby. If you ever accidentally turn that on in the BIOS, when you turn it off, Windows does not recognize that it's off, so it delays, seriously delays where your icon is. The only way I found to actually get rid of this and fix it is to turn off my second monitor, give it a few seconds, turn it back on, and then both of my screens will go black, reset, and then the problem is fixed until I turn off the PC and turn it back on. I've tried doing startup repair, I've tried changing the BIOS. Like I said, the only way I got rid of it the first time was by completely uninstalling and reinstalling Windows. Okay, and I really don't want to have to go through that again. I got a lot of games downloaded, a lot of stuff. I mean, it's just a pain in my ass. So I don't know if this is gonna crash or fix itself while recording, but I'm gonna try my best to show you guys what I'm talking about and how it's supposed to work. I may have to make another video showing you how it's supposed to work, but okay, I'm going to turn off my second monitor. Wait a few seconds here. Turn it back on. Sometimes it works, sometimes I gotta, oh, there it goes. Everything just went black and everything just reset. My OBS studio just got thrown over to my first primary monitor. And drag that off the screen. Okay. But now if we look here, guys, everything's responsive, super responsive. Everything's here exactly how it's supposed to be. It doesn't matter what you jump to. Now it's fixed, okay? Just by turning off my second monitor and turning it back on. I have to do this every time I start my computer, otherwise I cannot use things properly. It's ridiculous. I should have showed you more in depth with some of these other programs, how it messes up the menus and you can't select stuff and it just takes forever. It's so fucking annoying. Plain and simple. It's just so annoying. But everything's fixed now, everything works, no invisibility, everything's fine, doesn't matter where you go, it works now. Okay? But that happened since the Windows 10 Creators Update, which I do like, but I don't know what the issue is. I got an ASUS Sabertooth Mark 1 motherboard. I love it. It works good for me. I mean, it's only a socket LGA 1150, but, you know, I've got the Core i7 4790K. I mean, it really is an awesome CPU and awesome motherboard. I have no issues there. But I just want to let you guys know what I deal with on a daily basis since this update. And like I said, the only way I got rid of it the first time was completely uninstall Windows 10 and reinstall it. But why should we have to do that in this modern day and age? It's ridiculous. It really is. So that's it. That's all I really had to show. It's just been frustrating. I'm sure other people out there have this problem, although I've searched the internet up and down and left and right and haven't really found much about it. I'm positive other people have to have these issues. So, okay, that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this recording and hope that helps somebody out there. You can also try unplugging your second monitor straight out of the back and plugging it back in, but I find just turning it off by the power button, waiting 2-3 seconds, turning it back on fixes it. Sometimes it doesn't fix it the first time and I gotta turn it off a second time, but most of the time it fixes it. So, alright guys, F and Crap from B10 Games signing out.